Ka DBTS Shillong kalapulong ye ke expo exhibition arhajar arpusan ka ba arsngi ha ka arpu pra bat arpu kendai terik unai wing arhajar arpusan. Ban peni pa ye kitiar bapher ki ba kilashna ki jingbam ki jingdi ba ki jingile akai bapher bala peniat de ki samla puli jong kini ke shlem ai jingi kai. Lawan ban play kini ke Lumpung da MLA ka Motion Road uba Methodius Dekhar Umintri jong ka Labour Employment and Skill Development kumukongsan ha ka jingsen ranlang Reverend Padar Genesis Wanyang Economer jong ka Shillong Province kumusembot kongsan kinohikai bat kisamla puli. Hashwaban play kini ke Lumpung ladon ka program balingkot ha hall jong ka DBTS ha ka balas dang da ka jing puli ka ketin jong blay da ka sister Opaya Tingkan balayo ru ka kintin pediang ngobha da Reverend Padar Shining Dekhar principal ka DBTS bat ki jing ruai ki jing shat ki samla puli jong ka DBTS. Haba ai jing kren kongsan ulakin tui ki samla puli jong ka DBTS bekim day ban ailat beki jing duk jing kerdu bat ki jing bekin wan ban khanglat ha ka jing jong ki henry ki day ban long ki samla ki baklan ki bapendon kam hok ya ka sap ka baki don bat ki bawan ra ya ka bha ka miat ha ki lang salang.
A reading from the book of Sirach, chapter 38, verses 31 to 34. All these rely on their hands, and all are skillful in their own work. Without them, no city can be inhabited, and wherever they live, they will not go hungry. Yet they are not sought out of the council of the people, nor do they attain eminence in the public assembly. They do not sit in the judge's seat, nor do they understand the decisions of the courts. They cannot expound discipline or judgment, and they are not found among the rulers. But they maintain the fabric of the world, and their concern is for the exercise of their trade. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Beautiful notes with reading of the Bibles and with the prayer, and I wish that we could also complete this 2 days program, the Expo program of 2025 with the good notes, and we will conclude also this program with flying colors and with lots of hope in our hearts and in our mind. My dear students, how many of you don't understand Kasi? Most of you understand Kasi. Majority understand Kasi. But I really appreciate the boy with the guitar and the vocalist. You sang in Galo. My brother, can you stand? Where are you? The boy who played the guitar and who sang Galo? He's not there. He's here. But you have got a beautiful voice. It's a really beautiful voice. Beautiful voice and really good guitarist and beautiful voice. Lots of talent. Very promising. Happy to see all these talents. And my dear students, and all the teachers here and all the dignitaries, I would like to say that in this last 1.5 months, almost 2 months now, after I assumed as the Minister of Labor, Employment and Skill Development, I had the privilege and the opportunity to go around the state and meet many of the youth of our state. And then everywhere I go, any place that I met, many of the students, something that is very, very clear in my mind, what I understand that our youth, the youth of Meghalaya, are truly talented, capable, and full of dreams. And what we need right now, we need opportunities, we need guidance, and we need platform that allow those dreams to become the reality. And my dear boys and girls, in Meghalaya, the states of Meghalaya, every year we produce or we add around 70,000 youth to its workforce. And unfortunately, the state government, the state job, we have hardly to 2,000 to 2,500. So now the simple truth is this, the fact is this, that the future of Meghalaya will be shaped not by the government job. It's very unfortunate to say that, but we have to speak the hard truth and the reality, that we cannot expect everybody to get a government job. There may be some people who will be telling us, they'll be telling around that everybody will be employed or everybody will get a government job. That is not true. And if we go to any country also, you may go to US, you may go to Singapore or to any places, But there's no country that all the family or everybody or all the youths are working in the government sector. So we are looking ahead. We are looking ahead. The government in Meghalaya, that the government of Meghalaya will be shaped by the entrepreneurship like you, creativity, and the courage to step into the new fields. That's where we are hopeful as a state. And in this Don Bosco, this very Don Bosco Technical School has been a blessing to our state. Like it's been a blessing to me and to my firm and to many of the young boys and girls here. It has been a blessing for almost more than 100 years now. And it has not taught only skills. Don Bosco Technical School has not taught only skills, but I believe it has shaped the attitude of many of the young students. Build confidence, given direction to thousands and thousands of young lives, not only in Meghalaya, but in the entire northeastern states. And many of our finest technicians, like what I have, and many of the entrepreneurs and the professionals began their journey right here in this Don Bosco Technical School. And that is the legacy, the beautiful legacy that we have in Don Bosco Technical School. So the young students who are here, I hope you might be very proud of this institution that you are having. And with all these educators, with the energetic father who are here, who lead you not only in the knowledge of this world, but I think they teach you also in the spiritual knowledge, which is more important. And I'm very proud also that alongside with Don Bosco, we have this Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, MSDS, pioneering by the energetic team and the leadership of our CEO, Dr. Vijay Kumar, and the young team like Masa and the team and the whole team of MSSDS. And they have been working very tirelessly how to provide youth the opportunity, not only here in Shillong, but in every district, in every block, and in every civil subdivision that we have. And I'm really proud to say that MSDS now has over 24,560 trained young people, supported by 126 training partners and 681 training centers all over the state of Meghalaya. And the programs covering almost 28 sectors and 149 trades. But these are not only the numbers, but these are not only the numbers, who tell us the whole story. And the real story is the young woman who trained in a hospital and now work in a 5-star hotel. And the young man who went to a short-term course, like what you did here, and now support the entire family. And the group of trainees from our state who recently went through a hospitality program, where we have 114 out of 135 got job placement. And we have the success of almost 84%, almost 85% success rate in that training program. And thanks to the partnership of MSSDS, and Don Bosco Technical School. And my dear friends and my students, these are not the only placement that we are talking about. These are the life transform. Some of the young people like you are now building career, not only in Meghalaya, not only in India, but they are building career outside the country. We have 32 in Japan, 32 nurses in Japan, and we have 8 nurses in Singapore. And this, we feel proud that it brings pride not only to their family, but it brings pride to the states of Meghalaya. And it brings not only pride, but it brings also revenue back to the states of Meghalaya with the overseas students, with overseas youth working in different parts of the world. It brings also revenue back to the states. And we are also having 22 candidates currently undergoing German language training at Saudi and preparing themselves for the opportunity to go to Germany. And I'm happy to share that MSDS recently we have launched in Barik in Shillong a training center in Japanese language. And right now we have almost 30 students, candidates, and already enrolled in the training program. So any one of you, the students from here, when you pass out from this, after this training program, if you wish to go to Japan, if you wish to go to Germany, we have a training center in Saudi. We will train you about the German language, and we have a training center here in Barik, near the step-by-step school, which will train you. We have a six-month course program to train the Japanese language. And even the father and sister also, if they wish to learn Japanese or German language, we are most welcome. We'll be starting that maybe in the month of January for all the professionals also who still want to learn Japanese or who still want to learn German language. So these are the programs that have been started by the government of Meghalaya, and these are the programs that have been started by the Meghalaya Skill Development Society, which we call is in short MSSDS. So my dear students, these are the real story of the young men and women that dare to dream beyond the boundaries. Like I see, like most of you, I'm sure that you are here, most of you are coming from rural villages. Like most of you, I could see that we are coming from rural villages, and you are here because of your dream and because of your parents' dreams, and you want to fulfill your dreams and you want to fulfill the dreams that your parents have with you. So, under the leadership of our Chief Minister right now, a dynamic Chief Minister Shri Konrad Kesan, we have a very strong commitment to strengthen our skill ecosystem, and we invest in quality training like we did here, expand global partnership, support entrepreneurship, and ensure that every young person can dream with confidence and achieve the purpose. A skill development now, when we go to this, when we talk about this fast-changing world. During those 90s when we were here, we were quite a complacent scenario that we are living. But here, now when we are talking about this fast-changing world, this fast-changing economy, what I see is the skill development is not just an employment. It will not be just an employment, but it's about how we empower ourselves and how we empower our youth. And it's about the confidence to stand tall, the courage to take new path, and the ability to shape our future. And my dear students, and all the distinguished dignitaries who are here, even like this, the Expo of 2025, are very powerful moments. They bring together the industry, they bring together the institution, they bring together the government and the young people under one roof. That spark the ideas, build connections, and open doors. And a celebration like this is a celebration of ideas, craftsmanship, and together with the technology. Thank you for this craftsmanship that you have given a presence to me. It's really beautiful. I wish that not only me, but I wish my family also will remember this occasion, and it will be there throughout life. And to the youth gathered here, like what I said, we have come here with a very purpose. I'm sure your parents are not so well to do. And we are here with many blessings, with many prayers. Some of you have been supported by the sister, some of you have been supported by the mission, some of you have been supported by your friend and your family. And you are here because you have some dreams. And I remember when I see you, I remember my college life. I was here with lots of difficulty. You can understand when I work in Don Bosco Youth Center with a salary of 900 rupees, and how difficult to maintain ourselves and how difficult to get through our daily life. And I'm sure that most of you also are facing the same thing right now. But remember that your dream and your goal should not be disturbed by any of those difficulties. The financial difficulty, the temptation, the problem that you are facing, just make sure that you stand strong. And make sure that you remember God. He has started this program by prayers, by reading the Bible. That's where God leads our way. So remember to hold your dream, hold strong to your dream, hold strong to your goals. Remember your parents, they have sent you here with lots of difficulty. Some of your parents are working in the field, some of your parents are working somewhere, sweating out, putting all their efforts to see you grow, to see you attain some education, to see you attain some knowledge, and they want to see a better you. So don't let them down. Make sure that you go back from here to make your parents feel proud. Make sure that you go back from here to make your teachers feel proud, and the society to be proud of you, and you will become the product and the output of the country, the output of the nation, and the products, the beautiful products of the community and your family. So with this word, I conclude my speech with the best wishes to the principal, to the whole team of Don Bosco Technical School, to all the sisters who are here, to all the brothers who are here, and especially my best wishes, my prayer to you, the young people of our state. Don Bosco, there are many people who talk so many things that there's no future, there's no hope. We are heading towards some doomsday, but I'm telling you, those are false. God has created us with a purpose, and we need to keep that in our mind. And here God has created us with a talent, and one fine day you will find that if you keep working towards your desire, towards your dream, and keep praying to God and continue your journey with the faith and belief in God. Don't listen to anybody. Listen to your priest, listen to your father, listen to the teacher. They are the ones who will take you to the next level of your life. With these few words, once again, thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity, and I love you, the students who are here. And I want to see that from here, from this very hall, from this very venue, the future of Meghalaya will be bright. Thank you so much.
Meet Jai Jai Rupa ki
Hadirin kini ke program Ukongsan Ulapan Bana begini ke Lempung Expo Arajar Arfusan kelapli pat ba bat bot sa kajing pet ka yiki tiar bapher haki jaka bagi samla puli ke labo ban pen internet yiki kamat jung kinang wan pet kai hakani ke Lempung ha ke jinggalam u principal ke DPTS u Reverend Padar Shining Dekar.
Good morning everyone. On this beautiful day, the 28th of November 2025, and this morning I announced that the Expo 2025 of Don Bosco Technical School is officially open, and with this sign we will cut this ribbon.
Let's put our hands together. So our honorable chief guests will just take a round and visit the various schools to request the dignitaries, invitees, or companies. So thank you, one and all.
Sir, pantai saat ini kita table, and then we have flower stand, then we have flower stand. Kini flower stand. Pen stand, mobile stand, pen stand, mobile stand, pen stand as such.
Collapsible tables, no, they might be needing when they go out.
Sir, very affordable tables. Yes. Two chairs, one table. Okay, sir will take. Okay. No, order one more for sir. This one, this table. Order for sir.
For the dining table. Then these are made by the graphic students. These are painted by the graphic students. These are the Christmas ornaments made by the candles. These are made from aluminum wires. These are made from ice cream sticks. Yes, sir. These are made from cotton tissues. What is this? Bottles. It's 257. Hindi kita na yun yung pada feel ano ba rin yung laban niya. These Christmas ornaments, you can hang it on your Christmas tree this Christmas. Two more or one and the other one? Make it four. Okay, sure.
Yes, Spider-Man. Huh?
150.
How much, sir? How much, sir?
100. Ang order ini kita sausage. Grace. Literally, you like orders? Order untuk tiket. Complete piece, so that piece will
Oh, you put that in plastic?
one 10 bottle. This is nice. Ini 180. Nampak kedai punya. Alam yang ada manong mix. Kita berada di Senrang.
These are all the students' work. Students' work. All the students' work. Sheikha.
So bright now, see?
Stephania? The school job Stephania.
Is it coming?
Totally sir.
Ayun gini, mix lang. Let me mix lang. Ayun 60.
60 ton tu mah. Yes, sir. 60 mix.
100 feet, 100 such mix lang.
Ang sa class din pala din kay class. Not today.
Charge controller regulates the battery flowing to the current to the battery, and then you will flow the battery or current you supply directly to this bulb over here. And even for this panel, it's similar to this smaller panel.
With a small solar panel.
Yes.
So with this, how long it will keep the backup?
Depends on the capacity of the battery.
So depends on the capacity of the
Battery, yeah.
So from here it charges the battery.
Yeah. And then it will supply to the source here.
And into the motor.
Similarly, even for this power solar.
And we give how many bulbs for the house? How many for 5 or 6 bulbs? How many batteries will be required?
It all comes to the set depending on how the system you need a battery to come down.
So mainly the
requirement.
This is the thing that we need most.
Yes.
With all this, with all the power shortage and power, power cuts. So this is why we
Almost 20 kV of solar panel.
Dito lang. Scrap the galigation, snap a check and have some
quite unique. It's really unique. It's really something that you hardly see anywhere.
all parts of the galigation, snap a check.
Was it Christmas gift?
Sorry for video.
Yeah, I'll buy for you. Come on, I'm not going to come on. Do like this. Look at that beach, it's not that big in it. So, for that, which one you like?
Just one big.
I'll take this.
So we'll take this one, okay? One.
Take this one.
This one for that? this one? Okay, this one. And this one, maybe. But this one will change further because of the sun it has cracked. We'll change it. Yeah, we'll change. Okay. So this three, ma? One, two, and three. And this one? Okay. This for you, ma. Thank you. Miss right, ma? Yes, sir.
That's nice.
Yes.
Okay, this is one song requested by Miss Eva, dedicated to Miss Wendy. The name of the song is Wan Penapsa, dedicated by Miss Eva to Miss Wendy.
Carrot cheese. Which one would you like to taste, sir? Taste this.
Good morning to everyone present here. Welcome to our Expo 2025. I'm your friendly June Constantine and I'll be playing a few tunes all day. Gonna show you love, just be request and we'll spin it for you. For more classics to today's hit. We'll spin them all, so don't be shy, send in your request. When it's gone, touch your head, send it for just 30 bucks, your ears will thank you. And if you're confused where the tune comes in, it's just right next to you. Grab for your girlfriend or for your boyfriend. This is just one song in the memory in the next memory.
Thank you so much.
Kita sih di tengah baca pin tambah. Habis bangsa macam benar. All the best, ma.
Thank you.
Very good. Variety.
Take it from that.
No, just 5-6 players, no. Ramos, please play. Yeah, 6 players, no, 6 players. Yeah, 6 players.
Mine.
Yes, sir. 5. Yes.
Okay.